I got this in the mail today and I am excited to try it out and show you guys. Okay, so if you don't already know, Busties is a boob tape kit. So it comes with more than just boob tape, and I'm going to show you. Starting out with the most important thing, in my opinion, it's the actual tape. This tape is a lot like KT tape. If you were ever an athlete, you may know what that is. It's got the little wavy adhesive. So yeah, it comes with a roll of this. It also comes with 4 pairs of this, these pasties. And then it also comes with the silicone pasties. So it gives you 2 options. There's only 1 pair of these. There's 4 pairs of these. And then something that I thought was really awesome that it came with, it comes with a sensitivity test kit. A lot of people are allergic to adhesives. So this is phenomenal for you to test it out, kind of get a feel for it, see if it irritates your skin before you put it on your boobs. First, I'll be trying it out with this top. I'm a B cup on average, and honestly, like, my boobs just, they don't look good in this top, so let's see what I can do. I saw a girl saying she like cut these strips and put them under to pull her boobs up, so I'm gonna try and see how that works. Okay, I had to move my necklace, but anyone who knows me knows I literally do not have boobs, and this is giving me a good cleavage moment, and it's just, I just used the tape, which is crazy to me. Like, that's insane. My boobs don't do that. Sorry, I can't stop looking at it. Okay, I think next I'm gonna try it out with a see-through shirt to see how that works out. So give me a second. Okay, hear me out. I know you don't really have a before to compare to, but I bought this shirt a couple months ago and I've not been able to wear it yet because it was so see-through. I just felt very uncomfortable in it. I didn't like putting it on. I'd look in the mirror and just immediately want to take it off. Like, I did not feel comfortable in it because you could see everything. I don't have a bra on. My boobs don't look bad. Like, I can finally wear the shirt. This tape's a little messed up because when I put it on, it like rolled the adhesive. But overall, like, I'm so stoked to finally have this and to be able to wear some of my cute tops again. Here's a video of me trying it on with like a weirdly cut out top. I had the tape on in this video. And as you can see, it's perfect because you can adjust the length, the size, everything to make it not show up on the parts that are cut open. Okay, first I just realized I had this top around my waist in the other clip, so ignore that. But I just wanted to say I rate Busties a 10 out of 10. It's the best sticky boob on the market that I've tried so far, and I totally recommend it.